2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.